Hi friends! Let's look at the sump pump, how it works, and what it's used for.
Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stumping. And the jam is pumping, look ahead, the crowd is
So in a basement, you probably have a sump pump pit. In that pit, you probably have a sump pump. The sump pump is this guy right here. So water is diverted from the outside of the foundation into this pit. So you don't have so much hydraulic pressure or pressure from water pushing on your foundation. So it comes into this pit, it drains in here, and as you can see, we've had quite a bit of rain, and so there's water on the outside of the foundation that's allowed to come in here. And when there becomes enough water in here, this float will rise and trigger the pump, and it'll pump that water out of the house, out of the basement. So what we're going to do today is replace this flexible hose with some rigid PVC. We're going to put some connections on it, get it up out of the hole, shoot it over at a 45, and then back up, and then out. So I have this coupler here that I'm going to take from this piece of PVC. And the way a coupler works, these little clamps, you tighten it with your screwdriver or with your hex head, and it tightens around that pipe. Nice and tight there. Now we're going to have to stop it because I don't want to hook things up, have it trigger, and then spray water all over me. So we got the PVC out of the pit. I'm going to use some primer, then some cement, put this 45 degree on, over to here, then go up, and then at the top, we'll take it out of the house. So I got the primer in there. Now I'm going to put the glue in. And it's best to do this in a well-ventilated area, or maybe put a fan in a window, because this stuff is potent. Okay, so now I'm going to cut a piece of PVC to get me over, I'll go about 31 inches over to here, then I can go straight up.
Mazel tov, look at her dancing, just take it off, let's paint the town, we'll shut it down, let's burn the roof.
Okay, looks good. I'm gonna set this guy right over here to provide support for this. So I'm eventually going to strap it to the ceiling up there, which will provide some more support. And I'm going to strap it to the wall also, but for now I'm going to put some support right there.
That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. A feeling. That tonight's
So I have the piece that's going to go out of the house, and I'm going to go ahead and connect it to my 90-degree elbow first, stick it out of the house, and then put that longest piece and connect it all together. So we'll put this through the hole, and then we'll connect that middle piece. If I made this just a smidge long, I'm going to go ahead and cut it to fit. I'm going to cut this a little bit shorter, and then we'll go ahead and install it. Alright folks, moment of truth. We will see if it worked. It worked. Now we'll put some straps on here. But first, that calls for a little celebration dance. All right, folks, thanks for joining me again today. Remember, work hard because hard work is its own reward. And try to better yourself today. Make yourself better today than you were yesterday by A, getting some physical fitness, getting some exercise, or B, reading something that's not your phone, and C, learning something new. So have a great day, folks. We will see you next time.
And have a good time.